Working with PhotoFiltre Studio and saving projects as PFI files, these preserve your editing layers and adjustments for continued work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and convert these PhotoFiltre Studio image files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful PFI file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A PFI file is a proprietary image format created by PhotoFiltre Studio, an image editing program. Users encounter this format when they save a project in PhotoFiltre, as it preserves all layers, selections, and other editing information. The primary goal is to reopen the project for further editing. The PFI format is a binary layer-based file designed to store a complete editing session. It encapsulates multiple raster layers, masks, text objects, and selection paths. This structure allows for non-destructive editing, enabling users to modify individual components of the image without permanently altering others. PhotoFiltre Studio, developed by Antonio de Cruz, serves as the industry application standard for PFI. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows can open the file, but sharpening, retouching, or adjustments require graphics tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the PFI file and click Open With. Test PhotoFiltre Studio first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your PFI file is not opening yet, that is normal. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific PFI error occurs on most Windows systems. First, opening in PhotoFiltre Studio. Install PhotoFiltre Studio from photofiltrestudio.com and double-click the PFI file. The application loads the image with all layers and editing data intact, allowing further modifications. PhotoFiltre Studio offers a familiar Photoshop-like interface with extensive features at significantly lower cost, making it ideal for hobbyist and intermediate users. Next, converting to standard format. Open the PFI file in PhotoFiltre Studio and use File then Save. As to export as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or PSD format. PSD export preserves layer structure for editing in Adobe Photoshop or GIMP, while JPEG and PNG flatten layers for web use and general distribution to viewers without PhotoFiltre Studio. Finally, trying universal image viewers. Attempt to open PFI files in XNView, MP, or IrfanView, which support extensive image format libraries. While not officially supported, these viewers may render older PFI files using simpler internal structures. This approach provides quick image preview when PhotoFiltre Studio is unavailable for full editing access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.